From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at the WTI market. You can see that we are heading towards 43. And this, of course, is an area where we had seen a lot of selling previously and is the top of the range. We've tried it a couple of times now. So the question here is, do we break down from here, reaching towards the 200 and the 50-day EMA, or do we break above the 44 level, which opens up 45 and then 50. Now, a lot of this is going to be based, there's a couple different things going on. Number one, it's Thanksgiving week, so the volume is going to be a little lower than usual. So the moves may be a bit exaggerated. There's a theory out there that, once the vaccine gets into the population, there will be more demand for crude oil, so it makes sense that perhaps we could see this market take off to the upside. I don't buy that, but I'm not totally against it either. We're at such an inflection point. I think you're probably better off waiting for the next daily candlestick to give you a bit of a heads up as to where we go. Because even if we do break out here, we probably have another $5, $6 to go. So we have room. We don't need, it's not like we're going to be forced to make a decision. Now, on the other hand, on a short-term chart, if we start to break back down, then we could go to this 200-day EMA, which is basically 41. I think that would be a pretty easy drift lower. Anybody who trades Wyckoff might recognize this as, I can't remember what he calls it. It's basically a false breakout. So there is that possibility, I suppose, if you're of that ilk. I haven't studied it in years, so that's just something I happen to notice. But at this point, I think we're at a decision point. We're probably better off to simply sit on the sidelines, and we'll see how things close at the end of the day on Tuesday.